Hi guys, if you are trying to update your Google Chrome web browser and you are getting this error code 3 on error record while checking for updates, update check failed to start, then let's see how to fix this error. So here is the first method. To fix this Google Chrome update error, first of all go to your Windows search and type services and then simply click on it. And now from the list of services, simply find the Google Updater service. So simply scroll down. Here is the Google Updater service. Simply double click on it. And now on the Google Updater service dialog box, simply click on the Startup tab. And from the drop down menu here, select the option Automatic. And once you have selected the Startup tab as Automatic, simply click on this Apply button here. And then click on this Start button here. And now simply click on OK to confirm, and then again click on this OK button here. And once you have changed the Startup tab of Google Updater service as Automatic, simply close the Services tab. And now simply refresh the Google Chrome page. And now you can see the error has been fixed and Google Chrome is being updated now. You can see now it is updated and asking to relaunch. So simply click on this relaunch option here. And the Google Chrome browser will be relaunched and you can see your Chrome browser is up to date now. You can also go to the About section and check it. For that, simply click on this 3-dot vertical menu and scroll down, click on Help and then click on About Google Chrome option here. And you can see the error code 3 issue has been solved and your Google Chrome is up to date now. You can see. And in case if this method is not working for you, then let's see the second method. To fix this Google Chrome update error, first of all, go to this 3-dot vertical menu and then go to Settings. And now here, go to Privacy and Security. And under the Privacy and Security, click on this Delete Browsing Data option. And now here, select the time range, all time. And make sure these two options are selected, cookies and other site data, and cached image and files. If you want to delete all these as well, you can select them as well. But since I just want to fix this issue, so I'll only select these two and I will uncheck all others. You can see. Also from here, make sure these two are selected. You can see. And then click on this Delete Data button. And once your Google Chrome browser cookies and cache data has been cleared, go to the Chrome menu, scroll down, click on Help, and then click on About Google Chrome option here. And now simply refresh the page and the Google Chrome browser will be updated. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix the Google Chrome update check failed to start error code 3 issue. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.